अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और पूरा वीडियो को अंत तक बिना स्किप के देखिए। देखिए आज हम बात करने वाला है HACCP, दैट स्टैंड फॉर हैजर्ड एनालिसिस एंड क्रिटिकल कंट्रोल पॉइंट। आज हम बात करेंगे HACCP कैसे काम करता है, हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू सेव द फूड फॉर द रेस्टोरेंट and how we are doing the analysis, what is the actual point for HACCP. So we will see what is the hazard. So it is a systematic preventive approach to food safety that identifies, evaluates and control hazard that could make food unsafe. I'll tell you what all are the purpose for HACCP: to prevent food safety problems before they happen, rather than relying on final product testing. I'll tell you, lots of time there is a problem happen in the restaurant, like the food is not good, taste is not perfect, actually it is not up to the mark. This all reason is hazard analysis critical control point. I'll tell you 7 principle of HACCP, hazard analysis critical control point. First I'll tell you, always you have to conduct hazard analysis. How? Like identify biological, chemical and physical hazard. There is a 4 major hazard is there, like biological, chemical, physical. These all hazard you have to identify. Determine critical control point, that is CCPS, like steps where hazard can be prevent or the reduce. You have to analyze that where you can reduce, you can prevent that hazard actually. Okay. And third, establish critical limits, like maximize or minimum values, that is the temperature timing, which temperature is going to serve the food actually. And the fourth is establish monitoring procedures. The staff who is working in the kitchen, who is there in the pickup counter, how they are monitoring the process is very important to ensure CCPS stay within the limits. Number 5, establish the corrective action, like step to take if any limits are exceeds, like some limits already crossed, you have to take action on that. Okay. Number 6 is establish the verification procedure to confirm the system work very effectively. So if you follow this process, I mean in an effective way, then you can reduce that HACCP control point, because I'll tell you this is only the things is going to help you. And the number 7, establish a record, like keeping and documentation, maintain any kind of proof of control, like what temperature food is going to serve, that some record is there or not. Like I'll tell you the example, like cooking kitchen in 75 degrees is a critical control point to kill the harmful bacteria like salmonella. So salmonella is a critical bacteria, harmful bacteria, which can be killed on 75 degrees centigrade only. If you cook the chicken under 75 degrees centigrade, still there will be bacteria available. I'll tell you exactly where we are using HACCP. I'll tell you the food processing plant, restaurant and catering, food packaging or the storage companies or the factories, and dairy, meat, seafood and beverage industries. In short, if you want to listen, that HACCP is nothing. It's basically preventing food hazard to ensure the food is safe, the food is good, safe for eating. There is no harmful inside of the food. That's called HACCP.